Hey guys, if you're having irritation, okay, cuts, ingrown hairs, bumps, and acne because you are shaving your face, now this video is for you because I've gone ahead to research more on how you can shave your face successfully, okay, without all this stress, okay. There are things that you can do all by yourself to avoid all these things, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so very happy to have you guys here as always, okay. So my name is Godi and here I share a lot, especially when it comes to our health. Now, the first thing you should keep in mind when you want to shave your face is that you have to get a good blade, a very good sharp blade that is only meant for your face shaving. You don't need to use it for any other part of your body, okay. And make sure that it's a very sharp blade. Do not use a dull blade that you're going to be needing to shave a particular place 2 times to get the hairs off. No, that's not what it is. So you need a very sharp blade, and when you shave a place comfortably, you are removing all the dead skins and hairs at the same time without needing to shave again and again, okay. Now, another thing is that you should make sure that you are going to shave in the night or in the evening when you have gone ahead and do all your activities for the day and come back, because after shaving you don't need to actually apply makeup on your face after shaving. Please, this is one thing that will help you to avoid all these things, okay. So after shaving, what you need is your moisturizer, so you don't need to apply extra maybe makeup on your face at that time. Allow your skin to breathe, allow your skin to like hydrate more, allow your skin to be moisturized and regain back everything that has been lost, or the irritation that is experiencing already after shaving. So you need to make sure you shave towards the night so that when you finish you go to bed without stressing your skin, okay. Now, another thing is that you need to shave at least, if possible, few minutes after bathing, after showering, because by this time your skin is tender, your skin is ready, it has been well moisturized with that water, and then even your skin is ready to be like shaved, okay. Now, another thing is to make sure that you exfoliate your skin before shaving. Now, if you have a sensitive skin, what you need to do is to shave like 2 days or 3 days, okay, before that particular, like you need to exfoliate few days before the day of your shaving, okay. This will help to cleanse your skin from all those things that will hold back your skin when you're shaving it, okay. Now get your skin ready for shaving, okay. So exfoliating your skin beforehand, but if you know that your skin is not that sensitive, like it doesn't react to all this, then you can exfoliate few hours before shaving, okay. This will help you. When you exfoliate, you moisturize and then cleanse your face and get it ready, okay, for shaving. This will help for a successful shaving. This has been one of the things that I've seen a lot of people that shave their face say it's so helpful, okay, because it will get your skin clean. Now, another thing that you should keep in mind is that you're going to be shaving from up down, okay. So if you're going to shave this side, just shave little by little. Don't shave in a hurry, okay. That's another thing. You are shaving from up down, but you are not going to be in a hurry. If you think that you have somewhere, or you know that you have somewhere you want to go to, please just go to that place and come back, because you don't need to be in a hurry when you're shaving your face. You need to be very careful and gentle, okay. So that's one thing that will help you to avoid irritation, cuts, and all that, okay. Now, another thing that you need to do is to make sure that you use a gel. You can also use aloe vera gel or any other moisturizer on your face, okay, before shaving. This will help to like moisturize your face and get you ready, okay, for this particular process that you're going to go through, okay. So this is one of the things that you should keep in mind when you're doing that. Like I said earlier, do not stretch your face way too much. If you're shaving your face, if you're going to shave from here, then stretch it gently a little, okay. You shave, you stretch, you shave, you stretch, you shave, you stretch just gently. Do not go by dragging your face way too much and then shaving in a very hurry way, like you are now shaving like you are in a hurry. This will irritate your skin and can cause all those issues, okay. So that's one thing that you should keep in mind. Now, if possible, you can use it to, like, if you're starting from this side, you just mask this side with that gel and then shave gently. After, when you're through with this side, you go step by step so that the gel will not dry up before you can get to that particular side. So next thing is to make sure to clean your blade as you are shaving, okay. You are shaving gently, you are cleaning your blade, okay. Make sure you keep a kind of swab in handy that you'll be using to be cleaning your blades, okay, to make it clean and very sharp so that you'll be getting the point directly, Okay, so you don't need to shave all through this side before you now clean your blade. So make sure you clean as you're shaving to help get a clean and sharp blade. Okay, so that's another thing. Another thing that's important is that you should make sure to shave your face. Like when you're shaving, do not shave a particular place more than once. Okay, don't just do it. That's why you need a sharp blade. So when you're shaving a particular place more than once, you're irritating that particular skin, and that is going to result to a lot of other things. So that's not what you need. You need a sharp blade that you shave once and you get hairs and even the dead skins off at once, because this will avoid irritation and all that. Okay, now another thing is to make sure you moisturize your face. Okay, make sure you moisturize your face very well even after shaving. Okay, so cleanse your face and then go ahead and moisturize it. Okay, because your skin has been well, like, irritated, like it is well or completely irritated, so you need to moisturize it very well. Okay, this is well important. That's why I said shave in the night, so that you can be able to moisturize your face the way it should be. Okay, don't apply any other extra thing. So don't apply extra thing, just your moisturizer to help return back moisture and also get that particular face well tender again. Now, if you are still having issues, you are still having acne, you are still having bumps and all that, then make sure you go and meet your doctor. They will recommend a particular tropical antifungal that will be okay for your skin, okay, to help avoid acne, okay, after shaving. But these steps I talked about will help you to get a successful bump free, acne free, and all those stuff free after shaving your face. Okay, so that is it for today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel to get more. Okay, and share this video so that others that will need it will also see it. See you guys in my next video.